Are you ready to travel the world and sail the high seas? Let's test your history skills and see how many of these legendary explorers you can recognize. Which famous Italian navigator is shown in this painting, known for sailing to the Americas in 1492? Is it A, Marco Polo, B, Christopher Columbus, or C, Ferdinand Magellan? It's B, Christopher Columbus. He landed in the Caribbean in 1492. Which explorer is famous for being the first person to walk on the moon? Is it A, Neil Armstrong, B, Buzz Aldrin, or C, Yuri Gagarin? It's A, Neil Armstrong. He walked on the moon in 1969. Which Venetian merchant wrote a famous book about his travels along the Silk Road to China? Is it A, Vasco da Gama, B, Hernán Cortés, or C, Marco Polo? It's C, Marco Polo. His book introduced China to Europeans. Which Portuguese explorer led the first expedition that successfully sailed all the way around the world? Is it A, Captain Cook, B, Ferdinand Magellan, or C, Jacques Cousteau? It's B, Ferdinand Magellan. His crew first circumnavigated the globe. Which Viking explorer reached North America nearly 500 years before Columbus? Is it A, Eric the Red, B, Leif Erikson, or C, Ragnar Lothbrok? It's B, Leif Erikson. He established a Norse settlement in Canada. Which daring pilot was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Is it A, Amelia Earhart, B, Bessie Coleman, or C, Sally Ride? It's A, Amelia Earhart. She made her historic flight in 1932. Which famous French oceanographer co-invented the aqualung and explored the deep blue sea? Is it A, Robert Ballard, B, Jacques Cousteau, or C, Charles Darwin? It's B, Jacques Cousteau. He co-invented modern diving gear. Which British captain made 3 epic voyages to the Pacific Ocean and mapped Eastern Australia? Is it A, James Cook, B, Francis Drake, or C, Henry Hudson? It's A, James Cook. He charted New Zealand and Australia. Which Portuguese explorer became the first European to reach India by sailing around Africa? Is it A, Amerigo Vespucci, B, Bartolomeu Dias, or C, Vasco da Gama? It's C, Vasco da Gama. He reached India by sea in 1498. Which brave Norwegian explorer led the first successful expedition to reach the South Pole? Is it A, Robert Falcon Scott, B, Roald Amundsen, or C, Ernest Shackleton? It's B, Roald Amundsen. He reached the South Pole in 1911. Which medieval Moroccan scholar traveled over 73,000 miles across Africa, the Middle East, and Asia? Is it A, Ibn Battuta, B, Zheng He, or C, Xuanzang? It's A, Ibn Battuta. He traveled the Islamic world for 30 years. Which English explorer has a famous river, strait, and bay in North America named after him? Is it A, John Cabot, B, Henry Hudson, or C, Walter Raleigh? It's B, Henry Hudson. He mapped the famous Hudson River. Which great Chinese admiral led a massive fleet of giant treasure ships across the Indian Ocean in the 1400s? Is it A, Zheng He, B, Kublai Khan, or C, Sun Tzu? It's A, Zheng He. He commanded massive naval expeditions. Which Italian explorer realized that the lands Columbus reached were a new continent, which was later named after him? Is it A, Amerigo Vespucci, B, John Cabot, or C, Ponce de Leon? It's A, Amerigo Vespucci. America was named in his honor. Which Shoshone woman served as an invaluable guide and interpreter for the Lewis and Clark expedition? Is it A, Pocahontas, B, Sacagawea, or C, Lozin? It's B, Sacagawea. She helped the expedition navigate the West. Which German naturalist and explorer traveled extensively in Latin America and laid the foundations for modern geography? Is it A, Charles Darwin, B, Alexander von Humboldt, or C, Alfred Russel Wallace? It's B, Alexander von Humboldt. He mapped ecosystems scientifically. Which deep-sea explorer discovered the final resting place of the famous shipwreck RMS Titanic? Is it A, Robert Ballard, B, Jacques Piccard, or C, James Cameron? It's A, Robert Ballard. He found the wreck in 1985. Which Scottish missionary and explorer was the first European to see Victoria Falls in Africa? Is it A, Henry Morton Stanley, B, Richard Burton, or C, David Livingstone? It's C, David Livingstone. He named the falls after Queen Victoria. Which Italian navigator sailed under the English flag and became the first European to land in North America since the Vikings? Is it A, John Cabot, B, Francis Drake, or C, Walter Raleigh? It's A, John Cabot. He claimed land for England in 1497. Which intrepid British woman traveled through West Africa alone in the 1890s, studying local customs and collecting fish specimens? Is it A, Mary Kingsley, B, Gertrude Bell, or C, Freya Stark? It's A, Mary Kingsley. She explored the Ogooué River alone. Which Portuguese explorer was the first European to round the southern tip of Africa, naming it the Cape of Storms? Is it A, Bartolomeu Diaz, B, Vasco da Gama, or C, Ferdinand Magellan? It's A, Bartolomeu Diaz. He rounded the Cape in 1488. Which African-American explorer spent over 20 years exploring the Arctic and was one of the first people to reach the North Pole? Is it A, Matthew Henson, B, Robert Peary, or C, Richard Byrd? It's A, Matthew Henson. He reached the North Pole in 1909. Which French botanist disguised herself as a man to join a round-the-world voyage, becoming the first woman to circumnavigate the globe? Is it A, Mary Anning, B, Jean Barret, or C, Ida Pfeiffer? It's B, Jean Barret. She joined the expedition in 1766. Which 7th century Chinese Buddhist monk undertook a perilous 17-year journey to India to retrieve sacred Buddhist texts? Is it A, Faxian, B, Bodhidharma, or C, Xuanzang? It's C, Xuanzang. His journey inspired a classic novel. Which ancient Greek geographer from Massalia was the first to write about the Arctic, describing a frozen sea? Is it A, Pythias, B, Herodotus, or C, Strabo? It's A, Pythias. He traveled north around 325 BC. Which highly influential British explorer, writer, and archaeologist helped map and shape the modern borders of Iraq? Is it A, Gertrude Bell, B, Freya Stark, or C, Lady Hester Stanhope? It's A, Gertrude Bell. She mapped Arabia for decades. Which Swedish geographer made 4 major expeditions to Central Asia, discovering lost cities and mapping the Taklamakan Desert? Is it A. Sven Hedin, B. Nikolai Przewalski, or C. Aurel Stein? It's A. Sven Hedin. He uncovered ancient Silk Road ruins. Which brilliant but eccentric British explorer spoke over 25 languages, disguised himself to visit Mecca, and searched for the source of the Nile? Is it A. Richard Francis Burton, B. John Hanning Speke, or C. Samuel Baker? It's A. Richard Francis Burton. He was a famous linguist. How many daring discoveries did you guess correctly? Tell us your score in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures.